afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the Bbd 2026. We're really excited to have you all here. And as Bbd, we have 2 weeks full of activities. The slogan of this year's edition is Your Blueprint for Tomorrow. Tomorrow is more than just finding a job after your studies, but also for some broadening during. For example, we also have student teams this year. It's not only about finding a job, but also exploring what can be done during your studies as well.
I think when I started my studies, I didn't know at all which companies were even out there. So especially the first event for me as a bachelor student, it was nice to at least know which companies are there, what are the possibilities, so where we could land a job, for example. And then later now, for example, I'm looking at an internship or like somewhere I can graduate. So then it's nice to talk to some companies and see, yeah, just basically agree to keep in contact to see where I can do my graduation with them.
In this case, the process of networking is just going from stand to stand, see which companies align with your interests, with your discipline. I think mainly it's just getting to know people at companies and getting to know companies.
Every event has its own merits. This event today here at the Bouwkundebedrijvendagen is really important to lay first contacts, but at the company dinner I remember a lot of more in-depth talks. So you have the time to talk a little bit more with the person sitting next to you.
By joining the Bbd, you can grow into making the connection, starting a conversation, and also grow in finding out what do I want and what's my next step after my studies.